Welcome to Drive Future, because the 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri is not just another Ferrari. It's a direct challenge to every automaker that believes the future must be silent, electric and emotionless. While competitors are rushing toward hybrid systems and full EV platforms, Ferrari has done something almost unbelievable. It has unleashed a machine powered by one of the most glorious engines ever built, proving that passion still matters. But here's the part almost nobody is discussing. There is one hidden detail about the 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri that could turn this car into a multi-million-dollar collector's icon in the years ahead, and we'll uncover that secret before the end of this video. The automotive world is changing faster than ever. Regulations are becoming stricter, emission standards are tightening, and manufacturers are under pressure to electrify their entire lineups. Yet, Ferrari looked at all those trends and decided to create something extraordinary. The 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri is a celebration of pure driving emotion. It represents heritage, performance and engineering, excellence wrapped inside. A body that looks like it was designed decades ahead of its time. At first glance, the design immediately grabs your attention. The front end is aggressive yet elegant. Slim LED headlights stretch across the fascia with a futuristic signature, while the elongated hood reminds everyone that something truly special lies beneath it. The proportions are classic Ferrari. Long nose, muscular shoulders, sculpted sides, and an athletic stance that gives the impression of motion even when the car is standing still. Every angle feels intentional. Every line tells a story. This is not simply transportation. This is rolling art. And then you discover what makes this Ferrari different from almost everything else on the road. Sitting under the hood is a naturally aspirated 6.5 liter V12 engine, producing approximately 830 horsepower. No turbochargers, no synthetic exhaust sounds, no compromises, just raw mechanical excellence. In today's world, that alone feels revolutionary. The power delivery is immediate and addictive. As the revs climb higher and higher, the soundtrack transforms into an emotional experience that few modern vehicles can replicate. The engine pushes toward an astonishing 9,500 RPM redline, creating a symphony that reminds drivers why they fell in love with performance cars in the first place. Performance figures are equally spectacular. The 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.8 seconds and reaches a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour. Yet the numbers only tell part of the story. What truly matters is the feeling behind the wheel. The steering is precise. The throttle response is instant. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast gear changes, making every acceleration run feel dramatic and unforgettable. Ferrari engineers also focused heavily on dynamics. Weight distribution has been optimized to create exceptional balance. Advanced suspension technology adapts continuously, allowing the car to remain comfortable during long journeys while delivering extraordinary confidence through high-speed corners. This is a Grand Tourer capable of crossing entire countries effortlessly. Yet it still possesses the agility and sharpness expected from a world-class supercar. Inside the cabin, Ferrari blends luxury and innovation seamlessly. Drivers are greeted by a sophisticated digital cockpit featuring high-resolution displays, advanced connectivity features, and performance-focused interfaces designed to enhance engagement. Premium leather surfaces, carbon fiber trim, aluminum accents, and exquisite craftsmanship surround occupants in an environment that feels both luxurious and purpose-driven. Every element serves the driver, reinforcing Ferrari's philosophy that the connection between human and machine should remain sacred. And if you're enjoying this deep dive into one of the most exciting performance cars of the decade, take a moment to subscribe and like, because Drive Future is dedicated to bringing you the latest automotive legends before they become history. Technology also plays a major role in the 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri. Intelligent driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, advanced traction management, and sophisticated stability programs operate discreetly in the background. Ferrari understands that innovation should enhance excitement, not replace it. The result is a car that feels modern without sacrificing its soul. Now let's talk about exclusivity. Industry estimates place the starting price at around $450,000, while heavily customized versions could easily exceed $550,000. For most people, that's an unimaginable amount of money. But Ferrari buyers understand they're purchasing far more than speed. They're investing in rarity, craftsmanship, prestige, and an experience that may never exist again. And now it's time to reveal the secret we mentioned earlier. Experts believe the 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri could become one of the last pure, naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris ever produced before. Stricter regulations force even legendary brands toward greater electrification. That changes everything. Suddenly, this car isn't just a high-performance machine. It becomes a symbol of an era when engines sang at 9,500 RPM, when driving was about emotion rather than algorithms, and when Ferrari dared to preserve tradition in a rapidly changing world. The 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri may not simply be remembered as another Ferrari. It may be remembered as the final masterpiece of the naturally aspirated V12 age.